Welcome back, student. So now I will discuss the remaining part, that is last part, that is your blood and lymph. That is the one kind of connective tissues. This is fluid connective tissues. Okay, so blood and lymph. See, fluid connective tissues consist of blood and lymph. So this blood, it is composed of this, that means your blood tissues composed of both liquid and the cellular part. Okay, so blood tissues consist of liquid and the cellular parts. The liquid part in the blood is called plasma, and the cellular part include your red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles, that means your RBC, WBC and platelets is called actually your cellular part. And the fluid, okay, that you can say that the liquid part of the blood is called plasma, and the cellular part, that is your like your red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles means cells, okay, and the platelets. These are the cellular part. So two parts is there in blood, and one is plasma, and the second thing is your your cellular part. Okay, and the lymph is the fluid surrounding the body cells. So what is lymph? Lymph is the fluid surrounding the body cell. It is essentially the plasma with some leukocyte, or you can say the white blood cell that have of the body capillaries. It lacks red blood cell and the body platelets. Okay, so fluid connective tissue is mainly concerned with the transportations of the substance like your glucose, like your amino acids and the oxygen. That means the fluid connective tissues is the concerned with the transportations purpose of the substance like your glucose, amino acid, oxygen. These are the things which have been carried out by your fluid lymph. Okay, so this is the major things. So blood means blood is composed of two things. One is plasma, and another is your cells. So plasma is the liquid part, and the cellular part is your corpuscles part, or and your platelets, and like your red blood cells, like your white blood cells, white blood corpuscles, red blood corpuscles, and the platelets. Both the things mixed together to form the blood. And the lymph is the fluid surrounding the body cells, and it is essentially the plasma with some leukocytes or white blood cells that have of the blood capillaries. And these fluid connective tissues is the main functions of the fluid connective tissue is the transportations of the substance like your glucose, like your amino acid and your oxygen. So these are the things of the function of the lymph, or you can say that the fluid connective tissues. So this is all about your animal tissues. Okay, so your work now, you have to thoroughly go through this chapter. This is a very big chapter, so carefully you have to read these chapters from your book, and listen these videos carefully. All the things I have covered this whole slide, the animal and the plant tissues. So if you any problems, then you have to see this slide. You can easily, the things are very easily I have elaborated. So and some diagrammatics pictures as there, so you can easily understood from this slide. Okay, so thank you.